Hello everyone! Today we would like to show you the small space requirement of our new ultra-compact VarioFace Front Connect modules. Here we have a decentralized control cabinet with a selection of common I/O systems. Wherever space-saving system cabling is required, the VarioFace Front Connect modules offer an optimal and universal solution. Pre-assembled system cables can be used to connect all I/Os with the VarioFace modules. Fast and error-free wiring thanks to plug and play. Up to 60% space is saved compared to conventional solutions. VarioFace Front Connect, the next generation of interface modules.